Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix inverted colors on your MacBook. If your screen suddenly looks strange with negative or reversed colors, don't worry. This usually happens because the color inversion accessibility feature was turned on accidentally. Let's fix it step by step. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and open System Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click the Accessibility option. If you can't find it, use the search bar in the top left corner and type Invert. This will quickly show the inversion settings without manually browsing through accessibility options. Now, inside Accessibility, look for the Display option and open it. Here you'll find display-related accessibility settings for your MacBook. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now look for the option called Invert Colors or Color Inversion. If this option is enabled, your MacBook will display reversed colors across the entire system, including Safari, Finder, wallpapers, videos, and apps. Simply turn this option off, and your screen colors should instantly return back to normal. On some macOS versions, you may also see two different inversion modes called Classic Invert and Smart Invert. Classic Invert reverses almost every color completely, while Smart Invert tries to keep certain media like photos and videos looking normal. If either one is enabled, disable them both to fully fix the issue. And that's it. You now know how to fix inverted colors and restore the normal display on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.